name's Alexis, and today we are talking about the weekly wows. Again, it's Sephora, so I have them here on my phone. So let's go through them. There's 3 Sephora collection brushes that are part of the weekly wow. Only one of them, I would say, is like worth it. The one brush that I say is actually worth it is the Sephora Collection Pro All Over Shadow Brush. It's number 12. That's just a great, easy brush for all over shadow. So like for the lid, this brush also, the same shape comes in like different sizes. So they have like a smaller one that I like to use for the crease because these are the brushes we have in our brush belts at Sephora. But this is a nice, like, just putting color on the lid and being on your merry way. I would say that brush is worth it. The next one is the Sephora Collection Pro Airbrush Perfector number 51. This is a weird brush. I don't understand the purpose of this brush. It's supposed to be for foundation. The idea is just like a swoop, like just a swipe and down kind of motion. I don't know. I don't like it. You could probably use it to contour because it's not very fat. It's a very like packed together brush. So if you could probably do like the one line of contour and then swipe it up if you wanted to. I don't really understand this brush. And then the last brush is the Sephora Collection Pro Pointed Brow. It's the number 35. Sure, I guess. I wouldn't really use it for brows. I think I would use it more as like a pencil brush instead of a brow brush. It just looks like a more pointy pencil brush, really. So I probably wouldn't. If you were thinking about it, sure, but I'm not too excited about that one. Okay, the next thing is the Nudestix Rock and Roller Easy Eyeliner Ink. This is one of those pizza roller eyeliner, that's nonsense. Those are all nonsense. Don't even bother with that. Don't, they're all stupid. All of those liners are stupid. And then there's 3 kits from Murad. The first is the Murad Bright Beginning 30-Day Discovery Kit. So this has the orange line, which is for pigmentation, or just overall brightness for the skin. So that has, what do you have? The Essential C Cleanser, the Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum, the Essential C Day Moisture with SPF 30, and the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. The only things I've tried from this particular box are the serum, which I did not like. I felt that was very sticky and did not do anything, and the overnight moisturizer, which I did like. So if you were thinking about this box, I would say go for it. It's not my favorite skincare box, but it's not a bad box. So if you were thinking about it, I would say go ahead. The next one is the Murad Active Retinol Renewal Kit. So this is the green line, which is the retinol line. So this one has the serum, I bet you, the night cream, the serum, and the eye serum. I've only ever tried the regular serum from this particular box, and I'm sensitive to retinol, so for me it did not work. There's nothing wrong with the Murad retinol, I just can't use it. So this is definitely one to look into, especially if you're thinking about like looking into retinols. Don't take my experience into consideration. I am sensitive to retinol. But this is definitely a good like way to start. You kind of have a little bit of everything to see how, like, what kind of carrier of retinol works better for you, whether it be the serum or the night cream, and then the eye serum has retinol in it also. So that, I would say do that one. That's a good one. The last one is the Murad Doctor's Picks for Radiant Skin. So this has the purple line, which is for like hydrating kind of, and the retinol serum, it looks like. Let me see. AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser, Retinol Serum, Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture, and the Invisiblur Perfecting Shield, which is SPF 30. Again, I've only used the retinol from this box. Cleanser, great. Having an AHA BHA cleanser is fantastic. So that's good. Again, the retinol. That moisturizer is great. I love that moisturizer. That's wonderful. And that's good for all skin types. It says hydrodynamic, but it's the texture of it works for everybody. And I've never played with the Invisiblur before. I kind of want this box for myself now that I'm looking at it. So do this box also. I like this box. So I would say my wows are the Sephora Collection Pro All Over Shadow Brush, the Murad Retinol Renewal Kit, and the Murad Doctor's Picks for Radiant Skin Kit. And my Womps are the Pro Brush 51, the Pro Brush 35, the Nudestix stupid pizza roller, and the Bright Beginning Kit, which isn't really a Womp, it's just like a like it's a meh. So yeah, those are my thoughts on that. A lot of things this week. Better than last week though, I think, with just the one brand. I like when there's multiple brands, and I like when it's skincare and makeup and not just one or the other, because not everybody does makeup and not everybody is into skincare. So like it kind of works for everybody when you have a little bit of both for the week. But yeah, some good weekly wows this week. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon. Bye.